Hi, in this video I am going to teach you basic queries that we will use in MySQL. Okay, so for that first you have to check whether your WAMP server is online. Go to MySQL and choose MySQL console. Okay, the user ID is root here, and this is how your MySQL console looks. Okay, the very first step is to display all the databases that is available. Okay, for that you have to use the query show databases. So this query will print all the databases that is already there in your MySQL. So see, we have 7 databases which is readily available for us. Okay, if you want to create new database also, you can go ahead and do that. For that you have to use this query create database, and you have to give the database name. My database name is going to be student info. So this will create a new database. Okay, so create database. This is the keyword, and student info is the name of my database. Okay, very simple query, right? Now I'm going to display all the databases again to check whether my database is available. Yes, of course it is available. Student info is my database. Now I can start using this database to create new tables and to work with the tables. For that you have to give use database name student info. So now I am in my database. Now I can start creating new tables and I can insert the values into the tables. I can work with various tables. Okay, I'm going to display all the tables in my database. For that the query is show tables. Okay, this time it's tables, so we are using show tables. So I haven't created any tables yet, so that it is showing empty. Now I can start creating tables and then come back and see how this query works. Now I'm going to create a new table. Okay, the query is create table name. So my table name is student, and after giving the table name I have to give all the columns, and for each column I have to give the data type. Okay, so student is my table name. I'm going to have 3 columns in my table. Okay, the first column is register number, the next column is name, and the third column is age. Okay, so the first is register number, and the type of this column is integer. Okay, next name, type is char, and I'm going to set length for this. Okay, 25 characters long. Then age is again going to be integer. So I have register number, name and age as 3 columns, and for register number the type is integer, for name the type is character, for age the type is integer. So this will create a new table. See, so if I go to show tables, yes, my table is created here. You can also see the structure of the table using this query, describe query, describe student. So this will show all the columns and its type. Okay, as of now don't worry about this null, key, default, all these columns. We'll see about all these columns in the next sessions. Now as of now, see the field and the type. Okay, we have 2 fields. One is register number, name and age, and the type. Okay, by default the integer size is going to be 11. I didn't mention any size here for integers. I have mentioned only for the character. So by default the size is going to be 11. So now I have created my table. You can go ahead and alter the structure of the table. If you want, you can add new columns, or you can change the column name, or you can change the type of any column, or you can delete the table, or you can delete any column. So let's see how to do all these. So the query used to modify the table structure is alter query. Alter. Okay, first query I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a new column. What column should I insert? Okay, I'll insert email column. Okay, alter table, alter table, table name is student. So these three words is going to be familiar for you. Alter table, table name. Create table, table name. Okay, so this is very easy. So alter table, table name. So I've told you I'm going to add new column. So give add column name and the type. Okay, the type is going to be varchar. Okay, I can use integer, I can use characters in the email ID. So it's going to be varchar. I'm going to set the size as 50. Yes, a new column is created. So if I go and display the structure, see here, email, varchar of 50. So we have added new columns. So you can go ahead and do and insert how many columns you want, you can insert. Okay, so next is I'm going to change the data type for register number. I don't want my register number to be in integers. No, I want to add some characters also to my register number. That is how I'm going to design. So I'm going to alter that. Okay, create alter table, table name, modify column registered character of size 20. Alter table student. See, while adding, I have used the keyword add. Okay, for adding I have used the keyword add. For modifying I am here using modify. Okay, here the query is same, alter query, but the keyword in between is going to differ. Okay, for adding new columns I will use add. For modifying anything I will use modify. Okay, so let's see this works. Yes, it worked. So again I'm going to now the type for register number is character. Here it is integer. Hope you got this. And I can also rename the column name. How to do that? See, you can rename two things here. One is you can rename the column or you can rename the table itself. Okay, so there are two different queries used for this. We'll see one by one. First, we will see how to rename the column name. Okay, for that, alter table student change. See, now I'm using another keyword, change. What I'm going to change? Change the column register to register number. And the data type is 20. So see here, alter table student. I'm going to change the name. Okay, so previously the name is register, now it's going to be register number. Let's see whether it works. Yes, it worked. See here, the column name changed. You can also change the table name. How? Again, alter table name, rename to STU. Okay, so whenever we are writing any query, we have to be very, very clear with each and every word that we are typing. So here I've just used the old name, new name. That's it. But see here, I'm using a keyword called to. Okay. So for each and every query, there is a slight difference. So we have to note all that. Okay. First, I have used add, then modify, then change, now rename. Yes, if I go and check my table, yes, I have only one table which is STU2. If you want, you can delete this table also. Drop table STU. So this will delete the entire table. Okay. So hope this is useful for you, and we'll see other important queries in the next videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, click the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.